Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be creating recipes with Irish potatoes and chicken suya. So it's going to be like a two recipe in one video. So join me as I create this mouth-watering, spicy, creamy, fresh because of the veggies recipes. I blended red pepper here and yellow pepper, the small ones. Then this is my bell peppers. This is parsley or scent leaf. This is spring onions. So this is a chicken suya, and I'm going to shred. So I'm boiling the potato now for the mashed potato. My potatoes are boiling pretty well. So this is what I'm going to use for my mashed potato. So this is the potatoes. I couldn't get matcha, so I had to use this makeshift of a matcha. Then I used my hands afterward to match it into a smooth paste. Then I added butter after mixing. Butter and warm milk, a cup of warm milk to add texture to it. So this is how the mashed potato came out. This is me trying to glaze it a little bit before the sauce is ready. So I'm trying to stir fry my veggies. I added suya pepper because remember we're using chicken suya for this recipe. Then I've already added my shredded chicken, as you can see, and I'm adding the dark soy sauce to give it that color and texture and taste that we need. I added a little bit of water to bring it to boil. So the recipe is ready. My spicy chicken suya sauce with mashed potato, creamy mashed potatoes. So we are up to the next video now. Here I'm stir frying my veggies already. My yellow pepper, red pepper, spring onion. Yeah, I added my chicken suya spice. Like I said earlier, this recipe is all about suya and spice. Yeah, so after now I'm adding my potatoes just to stir fry it so that I can infuse the flavors into the potatoes before adding water and bringing it to a boil. Look at how colorful it's already looking. Even before I added any sauce that will give it color. Then I'm adding my water. And then chicken seasoning for taste, for more taste actually, because this dark soy sauce does everything. Now I'm going to add my tomato paste because I want this recipe to be like an illusion, to create an illusion of chicken and stew. But unknown to whoever did not see me preparing this, they would think it is just chicken that is there. But actually potatoes and chicken are inside the food. So yeah, that's the illusion I was trying to make. So I wanted it to be a little bit red and thick in form of a stew. Yeah, so now I'm adding my blended garlic, ginger, and pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper. This is me adding more of the tomato paste to make sure I can get the thickness I want in this recipe. Fingers crossed. So the last thing I added was the the chunks of chicken. The meal is ready. I glazed it with scent leaves or parsley. Then this is it. Every chunk you get the potatoes and the chicken. So please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Good comments, so comments of encouragement and maybe sincere inquiries for more videos to be uploaded. Thank you. See you guys in the next video.